Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your term life policy with Haven Life, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your term life policy with Haven Life, start by visiting the Haven Life website. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Locate the term life policy you wish to update. Click on the policy to view its details. Look for an option that says Update Policy or a similar prompt. Follow the prompts to initiate the update process. You may be required to verify your identity for security purposes. After verification, review the current policy details. Decide which aspects you want to update, such as coverage amount or beneficiaries. Enter the updated information in the provided fields. Double-check the changes to ensure accuracy. Next, review any changes in premium costs that may result from your updates. Once you are satisfied with all updates, click on the Submit button. Wait for confirmation that your changes have been received. You should receive an email confirmation once your policy is updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Haven Life's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.